Hi everyone. This is Tynor's Lacepull L.S belt. It comes in 3 different sizes. Small and medium is 1, large and XL is 2nd, double XL and triple XL is 3rd. Let me show you how to measure the size and how to wear the Lacepull L.S belt. Measure the circumference around the navel and refer to the chart printed on the box of the product. Let me now show you how to wear the Tynor's Lacepull L.S belt. Now, keep the belt on a flat surface with the flaps open. Disengage the lace handles and loosen the laces by pulling both the flaps. Place the belt on the lower back in a way the base of the belt touches the base of the spine. Wrap the belt around the waist tightly. Engage the hook loop flappers. Now hold the both handles of the laces and pull them simultaneously to get optimum compression and immobilization. Compression can be customized at lumbar and sacral region individually by pulling the right lace and the left lace. Now, let me show you how to remove the Lacepull L.S belt. Disengage both the lace handles, unfasten the hook loop closures of the belt and remove it easily. Thank you for watching. If the video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more information, log on to www.tynorstore.com.